Have you ever tried to wash a dog in your own house? It is a mess. There's water everywhere, not to mention that your house will smell like wet dog for a long time. So our idea is to have a grooming salon where you can also bring your dog and wash them on your own. We'll have self-washing bays where you'll have two grooming options. Either you can have your dog professionally groomed by one of our amazing groomers, or you can have your washer dog on your own in one of our self-wash bays. This way you can eliminate the mess from your house, and you can also have a grooming salon that will take care of your dog. If you try to groom your dog on your own, you could seriously injure yourself or your dog. And doodles are all the rage right now, which 1.6 Americans have a dog in their home, but doodles have to be groomed professionally, or it could be bad for their health and yours. So we would love to add a grooming salon to more communities in America, because a lot of them are booked out for a long period of time. My name is Angie Gray, and our business is Dizzy Paws.